We have a wonderful chicken dish that is offered on our chef special menu page. We have a Moroccan spiced, semi-boneless, antibiotic and steroid-free airline chicken breast, sauteed with, believe it or not, black garlic and plantain gnocchis. It is a variation of a chicken and dumpling dish, a little bit more topical, but we're using it anyways. The gnocchis consist of fermented black garlic, mashed plantain, pairing the entire dish with seasonal roasted squashes. It may be acorn squash, it may be delicata squash, roasted nicely. We finished with a little pickled shallot and some toasted pepitas, also known as pumpkin seeds, served in a coconut gravy. In this case, it's a light, semi-sweet cream sauce, if you will, but very, very smooth and very, very silky. It's really topical and it's warm. It's almost like, it's very, very seasonal. It'll make you think of a Yankee Candle.